Hey guys, today I will be unboxing this Ulanzi VL49 RGB mini LED video light. Okay, so the side of the box, you can see some information here. 2500 Kelvin, 9 to 9000, then 3.7 volts, 2000 milliampere hour, then RGB, then portable, and what's this? 13 kinds of light effects. So let's see, open this now. So comes with the silica gel for humidity protection, then some quality certification, and this one is the USB Type-C cable for charging, and here is the light. Comes with the like a manual as well, some information how to use it. We'll check it out later. Then here is light. So still with the tape, I just remove the tape. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's like a LED with diffuser. Yeah. I'll try with the camera. So here's my camera. So it has a mount here, cold shoe mount. Okay. And remove this one, the microphone. Then this one will go here. Let's see. Loosen. So it's supposed to be like this. So very nice, it's perfect. Then you can place the mic on top or on the side. See here, there's also mounting here. So convenient. Or also on the side. So wherever you want to place it. Okay, then anyway, let's remove this one first. Then I try to turn it on. I don't know if this one is charged, but let's see. So there's a power button here. Now it's on. Then there's a setting here. So it's really nice. Then there's a up down. So I can see the 51%. So the intensity of the LED. Then this one getting lower. Then if I press this one, so selection of the temperature, color temperature probably. So that's the two setting. Then this is the charging port. This is this one. Okay, so I still don't know how to set the other function, but we'll try this one later on. So this is basically just my unboxing video. So thank you for watching.